Hiya, I'm Flint, a Hobbycraft artisan and cross-stitch expert. I love cross-stitch. It's a nice and methodical craft that lets you calm down and take your time. Plus, it looks pretty at the end. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own cross-stitch pattern using grid paper and pens. It's a great method so that you have your pattern ready and waiting to get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need graph paper, pens, and finally, some inspiration. Today I'll be designing a cross stitch based on the suit of cups from the tarot. I've chosen the cups as it's my favourite symbolism, chalices, emotion, and the element of water. I've gathered up some inspiration, so the first thing to do is to sketch out some ideas. You can go freehand or use tracing paper to draw over an image you like. Once you have a rough idea, sketch your design lightly on the grid paper with a pencil. Then, fill in the squares with colours of your choice. Each square will be one cross on your Ada, and each colour a different thread. You can also represent backstitch elements by colouring on the lines of the grid rather than in the squares. Backstitch works well for small details and for outlining your work. If you've got similar colours, you can always add symbols to your squares to differentiate between them. It may also help to draw out a key on the side of your paper. And just like that, your cross-stitch design is done. Head out and choose embroidery floss to your liking and stitch to your heart's content.